Dear students, I am with you today, Mohammad Rashidul Hassan Murad, instructor of English, Sitagondo Government Technical School and College, Chattogram. Today I am going to give a class on English First Paper, Unit-5, Lesson 1. The name of the lesson today is The Greed of the Mighty Rivers. Dear learners, let's listen a sound and try to guess the sound. Do you identify the sound? What is it for? This is the sound of river erosion. So please open your book and look at the page 59 and you can see the title of the lesson, The Greed of the Mighty Rivers. Dear learners, I'm going to present some new words for you. The first word is whispering. It means hissing sound. In fact, it means to speak very softly using one's breath without one's vocal cords. In Bangla we can say fish fish kore kotha bola ba fish fish shabdo. The example of this word could be Alison was whispering in his ear. The next word is turmoil. It means damage or trouble, which is a state of great disturbance. In Bangla we can say অশান্তি অথবা ধ্বংস. For example, COVID-19 turmoiled our economic condition. Then comes the word flame, which means fire. We make a flame to cook our meal. Then comes devour. It means consume. It means eat hungrily or quickly. In Bangla we say grash kora. For example, he devoured half of his burger in one bite. So students, now I'm going to read the passage aloud and expect you to go with me. Meherjan lives in a slum on the Sirajganj town protection embankment. The whispering wind from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. The dancing flames remind Meherjan of the turmoil in her life. Not long ago, Meherjan had everything: a family, arable land, and cattle. The erosion of the Jamuna gradually consumed all her land property. It finally claimed her only shelter during the last monsoon. It took the river only a day to devour Meher's house, trees, vegetable garden, and the bamboo bush. She had a happy family once. Over the years, she lost her husband and her family to diseases that cruel hunger and poverty brought to the family. Now she is the only one left to live on with the loss and the pain. The greedy Jamuna has shattered her dreams and happiness. There are 1,000 others waiting to share the same like Meherjan. Bangladesh is a land of rivers, some of whose banks overflow or erode during monsoon. Erosion is a harsh reality for the people living along the river banks. During each monsoon, many more villages are threatened by the mighty rivers like the Jamuna, the Podda, and the Meghna. It is estimated that river erosion makes at least 1 lakh people homeless every year in Bangladesh. In fact, river erosion is one of the main dangers caused by climate change. If we can't take prompt actions to adapt to climate change, there will be thousands of more Meherjans in our towns and villages every year. Dear students, now we are going to the passage once again. From the passage, we have known about the dangerous effects of river erosion in Bangladesh. Now, let's answer some questions based on the text. Question number A. So the first question is, what property did Meherjan lose due to river erosion? I think you can guess the answer. Well, so Meherjan lost all her land property, including house, trees, vegetables, garden, and bamboo bush. Next question is, what do you know about Meherjan's family? Once Meherjan had a happy family. Due to hunger and poverty caused diseases, she lost her husband and family. Now she is all alone. Next question is, in which season is river erosion most likely to occur? Well, the definite answer, you can get it. During the monsoon, yes. During the monsoon, river erosion is most likely to occur. The next question is, why the phrase greedy Jamuna used to describe the river? I think you can apprehend. Many of you can guess the answer. Why is this called greedy? Actually, the answer is, the river Jamuna has been compared to a greedy person who claims everything from the other people around him. So in the similar way, the river Jamuna has gradually consumed the cultivable land, trees, house, vegetable gardens, and bamboo bush of Meherjan. The next question is, what will happen if we fail to halt climate change? Yes, it's an important question. So the answer is, there will be thousands of more Meherjans in our towns and villages every year. Which means there will be more victims like Meherjan in the coming years if we fail to stop climate change. So students, that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed my class. And thanks for being with me. Stay well. Goodbye.